So, did you say you're a musician?
You're going to sing?
No, I said I'm a
You are now.
I know that, I know, but you have
You're
got to
gonna
play music. This is the truth of it now. I just
I'm
need
not
you
going to
to
sing.
talk. This is a poem that was written by Lillian last week. I made it into a poem for you, Lillian. And it's about when you have your best dress and you're going out for dinner. So while we're playing, I just need you to read in a big loud voice so everyone can hear the poem of the